Do you know the Tuk-Tuk Patrol? Tuk-Tuk Patrol? Yeah.
Really good.
Guys, first experience natin riding a tuk-tuk here in Bangkok. Sir Jimmy, thank you. Thank you. He offered 120 baht from Big C going to what's that, MBK. Pero yung the rest, they're asking for too much. So dito kasi sobrang traffic, guys. So pero malapit lang naman siya. It's just around 1 kilometer. Pero traffic lang talaga. Pero 300 baht, that's too much naman, no? So traffic, guys, dito sa Bangkok talaga. So it's a novelty na makasakay ka ng tuk-tuk. Kasi sa atin sa Pilipinas, we have the tricycles, we have the jeepneys. Here in Thailand, they have this tuk-tuk. So ito yung jeep and tricycle nila dito. Kaya if you're here, it's good opportunity to ride it. Jimmy, can I drive? Can I drive? No? I'm not allowed to drive.
It's really near.
Huh?
ABJ.
Yeah. No, if I'll be the one to drive. This one. No?
I don't know. I do drive.
Okay. So yun, guys, our right gas, brake, and then left clutch. And then, guys, ito yung shifter. Yan, cambio.
Yeah.
And then, yan, so gas. You know, tuk-tuk experience, guys, dito sa Bangkok.
Yes.
Do you know the Tuk-Tuk Patrol? Tuk-Tuk Patrol? Yeah.
Really good.
Oops. Oh, nice, oh. Woo. Stick dito, guys, oh, sayaw. Yeah, look at that. I have to be a good driver here talaga. Oh, diba? They don't give way. Thank you. Thank you, Jimmy. Have a good day. So nice ride with Jimmy. Thank you, Jimmy. Good experience, guys, oh, riding a tuk-tuk. It's a novelty here in Thailand. So one of the best experiences yan dito. Thank you, sir.